talk about what the Supreme Court will be doing today, and it is all set to hear at least 3 petitions that are said to be linked to the allegations of theft and misappropriation of donations at Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Now, there is going to be a 3-judge bench that will be headed by the Chief Justice and will be taking up the matter around 13th of July. So this is going to come up in about next week. And 2 out of these 3 pleas that have been listed for hearing, and one of them also demands for a CBI probe, saying that the UP government and its police or the state SIT cannot be trusted with a fair and transparent and impartial investigation. Now, this is a matter that would be coming up before the Supreme Court, and the pleas that is now seeking for a court-monitored CBI-led inquiry and also recording the preservation for a stronger financial oversight is something that one of the pleas also talks about, especially when it comes to the PIL that is now seeking an inquiry into the alleged irregularities in the donation funds that have been received by the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust in Ayodhya. Harish, good morning. Talk us through as far as these pleas are concerned. Of course, one of them is also seeking for a CBI time-bound investigation to be conducted.
Yes, good morning, Amita. The Supreme Court 3-judge bench led by Chief Justice of India Suryakant will on July 13, that is the day the Supreme Court reopens after summer break, hear 3 petitions related to Ram Temple donation theft, and as rightly said, 2 of it demand a CBI probe. The first petition filed by advocates Ajay Kumar Rai and Dinesh Kumar Rai seek a Supreme Court monitored CBI-led multidisciplinary SIT probe into the theft and embezzlement of donations. The 2 lawyers have also sought direction for the preservation and production of CCTV footage, DVR recordings, digital payment logs. The second petition listed for hearing is by RJD MP Sudhakar Singh. He too has sought a CBI probe and also a direction to the Temple Trust to place before the court complete statement of all donations in form of money and valuables like gold and silver received since the trust formation of February 2020. The PIR also urged the court to constitute a temporary oversight committee to manage the affairs of the Ram Temple and said that the trust be kept away from all of its managerial affairs till trial in donation theft case is over and a guilty is punished. So it's going to be a very important hearing in Supreme Court. Remember, on June 29, a vacation bench had refused urgent hearing, but had assured listing as soon as Supreme Court reopens.
So this petition that we are talking about actually seeks for a more comprehensive probe into the allegations of the irregularities and the alleged embezzlement involving donations and offerings made to the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Also calls for a court-monitored investigation, Harish. So if quickly, if you can summarize whether or not if any financial misappropriation or corruption took place during the handling of the funds received by the trust, because the SIT investigation is also taking place.
Yes, that's right. Amita, this Supreme Court hearing will happen on July 13th when the state SIT has already submitted a report and 8 persons have been arrested. And following severe public and political pressure, Champat Rai, the Trust General Secretary, and Anil Mishra, the trustee, have resigned from their positions. The Trust has also appointed retired forest officer and RSS member and complainant in the case Krishna Mohan as the interim General Secretary. But what is important is that the petition urges that that these issues, they say the state, why CBI probe is important is because they said the state government, its police, and the SIT formed by the Yogi government cannot be trusted, backed upon for a free, fair and impartial probe. So the stand of the Supreme Court as far as this argument is concerned will be very important. Remember, it was the Supreme Court which had cleared the decks for the construction of Ram Temple at Ayodhya.
Yes, because the plea, what it says that the FIR, which has already been registered in the matter, and the special investigation team that has been constituted by the UP police, that had also submitted an interim report. However, the petitioners here have been arguing that the independent investigation that has been led by the central agencies such as the CBI through a specially constituted SIT, which is now necessary to ensure that there is fair, impartial and also a time-bound investigation. Thank you very much, Harish, for getting us that update.